Choy! May you be prosperous. Ito ang kadalasan nating bati tuwing sumasapit ang Chinese New Year. But the wish for wealth doesn't end there. Dahil para sa mga kapatid natin Chinese, may mga bagay na dapat natin gawin para maitaboy ang malas at pumasok ang swerte sa ating buhay. Feng Shui kung ito ay tawagin.
Ito naman talaga ay isang bagay na sinusundan natin na nakakapagdala ng swerte at nakakapag-suppress sa malas sa isang tao. Taon-taon, meron tayong tinatawag na hindi maswerteng animal sign at maswerteng animal sign. At saka yung mga lokasyon sa bahay natin. Pag malaman natin ito kasi na kung alin ang mga maswerteng section ng bahay natin, pwede ito magdala ng good health and good money sa ating mga bahay.
At sa tinatawag nilang Year of the Water Dragon para sa taong 2012, here are some simple tips for wealth from our Feng Shui expert.
So ang totoong pangalan po niya is Year of the Water Dragon. The last time we had this was in 1952, and during the time we have seen a transformation year. Maraming mga bagay na nagbago or maraming mga bagay na na-improve at that time. So we are hoping that in terms of political, economic, turn around ang dala po ng Year of the Water Dragon. And then, the Water Dragon is very special because out of the 12 animal signs, the dragon is the most mythical of all. Hindi natin nakita man lang sa ating buhay ang isang dragon. And every dragon year, the population increases. Maraming nai-inlove, maraming nagpapakasal, maraming gustong mabuntis. The one who has to really be extra careful are those born in the year of the dog. Kasi nga ang opposite ni dragon si dog. So they really have to take it easy, do a lot of charity. This is the time for them to really stay low profile. The lucky colors of the year, we need the fire element energy. So these are the colors red, pink, and purple.
Walang pinipiling edad, kasarian o katayuan sa buhay ang Feng Shui. Basta't naniniwala ka, pasok ka. Kaya naman, pina-Feng Shui na rin namin ang ilang bigating personalities both in showbiz and politics.
The president kasi, his animal sign is a rat. In terms of career, finance, wealth, success, luck is very good for him. Of course, if we do all together all these efforts, the rat-born people has to be very careful with health. So he really has to be careful with health issues. Shalani is born in the year of the monkey. Congressman Roman is born in the year of the sheep. And then they are going to get married today, January 22, which is the day of the horse, secret friend ni Congressman Roman. And then at the same time, January 22 is also a very auspicious day in terms of auspicious date selection theory of Feng Shui.
Totoo man o hindi, magsilbi lang sana itong gabay upang mas lalo pa nating maiayos ang ating buhay.
Be positive in life and be thankful for what God has given to us. Be a blessing to everybody if you can. I wish everybody the best of the Year of the Water Dragon with lots of health, lots of love, and prosperity.
Okay. Siyempre, Tonghe Pachoy, di ba?
Tonghe Pachoy. Ilabas
Ang
ang
dami-dami
Tikoy.
sasabi ng bala, swerte. Ako kasi, ang katwiran ko sa ganyan, walang masama sa paniniwala. May scientific explanation nga kasi yan. Pero, tayo pa rin ang gumuguhit ng kapalaran natin.
Okay naman
At syempre, huwag makalilimot sa itaas.
Okay na mag-follow, basta wala maging addict. Yung fanatic.
Sobrang lulong na.
Correct.
Chinese New Year, okay? So, meron tayong tips from Chris Aquino. Nag-text siya sa mga close friends niya, including my brother Raymond. Some good tips for today. Please make sure all lamps and windows are in good condition. Turn on outdoor lights. Change bed sheets and towels and all linens. Ayan.
Ako naniniwala,
Parang
kahit
wala
anong
kang pera.
baguhin natin, kung tayo mismo hindi nagbabago, wala rin yung ano yun. Yun lang. Okay, eto na tayo pa sa ginaganap na kasalan. Ngayon. Oh, di ba? Okay, narito na po ni na Congressman Roman Romulo at Konsehala Shalani Soledad.
Bonggang party mamaya.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh, alam mo,
Ayan, sa Nuvali yan.
yeah.
In Santa
At
Rosa.
saka, ano yan may feng shui din na ginanap kung bakit ngayong taon sila
Swerte ito
kinasal.
para sa kanila.
Correct, oo.
Ayan, pinapakita na.
Dali
Kahapon,
nasilip
I was
nila
there.
yung pecha eh. Oh. Dali ano ito? Ito lugar na ito?
Nuvali sa
Okay.
Santa Rosa,
Dito
Laguna.
magaganap yung reception.
dyan
Saan
gagawin.
dito yung kasalan?
Ito, St. Benedict's.
Sino na mga celebrities na kasal daw dyan? O first time sila?
I think first. if I'm not mistaken.
Well, next week, dapat abangan nila ang special episode ng Paparazzi Showbiz Exposed tungkol sa wedding coverage ni Shalani at Roman. And bawat detalye ng kanilang kasal, talagang malalaman ng buong bayan.
Okay, at
At ang host ng
maraming salamat
reception
din.
mamaya si Karen Davila and Anton Lagdameo.
Okay.
Reception.
At doon naman sa aking panayam kay Miss Iwamoto na maraming salamat ay ginanap sa Napa Restaurant. Maraming salamat.
Kay Direk
Okay.
Mitch.
Ay, nako.
Anton Lagdameo, Anton San Diego.
Anton Lagdameo.
Okay.
Right?
Kung ano man, basta tuloy ang kasalan. Okay?
At ang honeymoon
At
tuloy.
next week, dito lamang
Parang hindi
eksklusibo
ka
ang
naman nakinig sa
kaganapan.
mga feng shui tips.
Ay, hindi. Ako paniniwala ko lang yun talaga.
Pero
Paniniwala
alam
ko
mo,
yun.
naniniwala ko ang swerte pag may binabati kang celebrant. Kaya happy birthday kay Wendell Alvarez.
Ay, happy birthday, Wendell. Siya na lang, happy
Birthday na
birthday.
birthday niya.
Okay. Ano?
Forward daw ni Grupa yung text.
Number space for new messages sa aking telepono. Maraming salamat po muli sa inyo lahat, mga kapatid. Siyempre, alam namin na siyahan kayo ngayong hapon. Kaya, abangan ang aming eksklusibong coverage ng kasalang Congressman Roman Romulo at Shalani Soledad sa susunod na linggo. Dito lamang po sa
Paparazzi Showbiz Exposed!